Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Todoist, a popular task management app that promises to help you stay organized and boost productivity. But is it really worth your time? Let's find out. What it is. Todoist is a productivity and task management app designed to help users organize tasks, projects, and deadlines in one place. Its main purpose is to make planning your day, tracking projects, and managing priorities simple and efficient. How it works? You start by creating tasks and organizing them into projects. You can add due dates, set priorities, and even use labels or filters to keep everything organized. The app also offers recurring tasks, reminders, and integration with other tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and email apps. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to see what's due today, upcoming, or overdue at a glance. Who it's for? Todoist is perfect for students, professionals, freelancers, and anyone who wants a structured way to manage personal and work tasks. Whether you're managing small daily chores or large projects, Todoist adapts to your workflow. Pros: clean, intuitive interface. Cross-platform support on mobile, desktop, and web. Task organization with priorities, labels, and filters. Integration with popular productivity tools. Cons: some advanced features require a paid subscription. Can feel overwhelming if you overuse labels or filters. Limited offline functionality in the free version. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you want a flexible, reliable tool to keep your tasks and projects organized, Todoist is definitely worth trying. It works well for beginners and power users alike, especially if you're looking to streamline your productivity. And that wraps up my Todoist review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.